Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Gemini key. First, navigate to Google AI Studio to generate your unique API key. This key is essential for authenticating your requests to the Gemini API. Remember, you'll need to have billing enabled on your Google Cloud project to access the full range of features and avoid service interruptions. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you have your Gemini API key, the next step is to integrate it into your application. A best practice is to set your API key as an environment variable rather than hard-coding it directly. This enhances security and makes your code more flexible. Then, initialize the Gemini client in your preferred programming language, passing your key for authentication. It's a simple setup. With your client initialized, you're ready to start making requests to the Gemini API. Utilize the client library's methods to send your prompts, whether for text generation, code completion, or other tasks. You'll need to specify which Gemini model you want to use for your request. The API will then return a response, which you can parse and integrate into your application. It's quite powerful. To ensure the security and efficiency of your Gemini key usage, always follow best practices. Regularly rotate your API keys to minimize the risk of unauthorized access. It's also wise to restrict the permissions of your keys to only the services they absolutely need. Finally, keep an eye on your API usage dashboard to manage costs and ensure you stay within your allocated limits. This helps maintain a smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.